later, maybe I'm gonna fix something tea. You wanna grab something from the street and bring it home? But yeah,
To be honest, this is the latest best snacking option that I crave for. Gluten-free, high nutrient content, vacuum cooked and not deep fried. 50% less oil than regular chips. A delicious range of snacks made with 100% real vegetables. To be honest, Crunchies are the honesty you could bite into. They are made with vacuum cooked technology which retains their natural color, nutrients and fiber of the raw vegetable. What's more is that To Be Honest uses 50% less oil as compared to other deep fried chips, making indulgence a bit more tasty. So I've tried a version of this snack manufactured in USA, beetroot with pink salt. I was happily surprised to see a similar product being made in India. My brother Rajveer wasn't well and he craved junk food and doctor didn't allow him. So that was when I came across this advertisement on Instagram. Ordered immediately, but it took a while for delivery. To be honest, here is the link. They have a wide range of products. Crispy beetroot with Himalayan rocks, herb taro with oregano and basil, apple sweet potato with pani puri masala, my favorite. All the products are vegan friendly, low fat, no artificial colors or flavors, no added preservatives and no MSG added. To Be Honest sources their ingredients from the freshest produce to make 100% real vegetable crunchy. Centrifugal process is used to remove excess oil. Now, let's taste the product. I will be trying crispy beetroot with Himalayan rock salt. You get the original taste of beetroot. Thin, crunchy. It feels like you're eating beetroot, a crunchier version of beetroot. But this is very healthy. Feels very healthy. And I think it's a good option. The packaging definitely looks premium. The moment you touch the packet, it makes you feel rich. Pricing. Yes, pricing is bit on a costlier side. We get sweet potato with pani puri masala for 100 rupees, herb taro with oregano and basil for 125 rupees, and crispy beetroot with Himalayan rock salt for 150 rupees. The pricing may vary as per the packaging. If you order this product from their website, they will apply you an extra logistic charges. They also provide good offers for their existing customers. Good thing is that I got this yesterday from Wagh Bakri tea outlet. So yes, the product is nice, yummy and healthy. A tad higher price, but with the increasing presence in the market, price could be competitive later. So guys, do try this product. My name is Bhushan. I will see you in the next one soon. Stay safe, stay healthy. Do like, share, subscribe to our channel The Yummy Treats. Shanaya, order kar do पण.